Hey guys, it's me, Urban, the happy cultivator, and things are moving right along with the house. So the framers have been here. We've got the floor joists laid here. There's a little finishing up, I think, to do on the floor joists. And then we'll start putting down the floor. And then we'll be erecting walls here pretty soon. So really exciting. Just a quick minute video to get you guys up to speed on where we're at with this urban empire. Really exciting. So look for more updates coming soon. With that, guys, keep happy, stay stoned, and urban garden.